Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MP Learners. I'm your instructor Navish Tahir, and today's topic is the fetch execute cycle or instruction execution cycle. It is a continuous process which consists of instruction sets. Now let's start with the instruction set. It provides commands to the processor to tell it what it needs to do. The instruction set consists of addressing modes, instructions, native data types, registers, memory architecture, interrupt, exception handling, and external input-output. Instruction format must include an opcode and implicitly or explicitly 0 or more operands. This is the basic format of instruction set. It will be having opcode and operands. Let's suppose if instruction set is of 16 bits, then it will be having 4 bits for opcode and 12 bits for operands. Now introduction to fetch execute cycle. To carry out a set of instructions, first of all the processor fetches some data and instructions from memory and then stores them in suitable registers. Both the address bus and the data bus are used in this process. Once this is done, each instruction needs to be recorded before finally being executed. This is all known as the fetch execute cycle or instruction execution cycle. Now, what is fetch? In the fetch execute cycle, the next instruction is fetched from the memory address currently stored in the program counter and is then stored in the current instruction register, which is also known as CIR. The program counter is then incremented or increased by 1 so that the instruction can be processed. After fetch process, there comes a decode process in which instruction is decoded so that each instruction can be interpreted in the next part of the cycle. Then the last step is execute process. The processor passes a decode instruction as a set of control signals to the appropriate components within the computer system. This allows each instruction to be carried out in its logical sequence. Now let's have a look at the fetch execute cycle. So first of all, the program counter, which is also known as PC, contains the address of the memory location of the next instruction which has to be fetched. Then this address is copied from the program counter to the memory address register. This is done using the address bus. After that, the contents at the memory location or address of the memory location contained in MAR are then copied temporarily into the memory data register, and the contents of the memory data register are then copied and placed into the current instruction register. After the instruction is copied into the current instruction register, the program counter is incremented by 1 so that now it can point to the next instruction which has to be fetched, and then instruction is finally decoded and executed by sending out signals via control bus to the various components of the computer system. This is a continuous process, so after execution of the instruction, the next instruction that is in the program counter will be fetched for the execution step. That was all for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Goodbye.